Imagine yourself in this 2008 Jeep Wrangler X. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: traction control, stability control, 4-wheel drive, steel wheels, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, convertible soft top, vinyl seats and bucket seats. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.